For interaction, we will write code so application will do something every time a sprite is clicked. The application will change the backdrop according to water form, and make the penguin describe what the water looks like, according to the button clicked. Whenever there is an event in Scratch, which originates from the yellow block, we can tell Scratch to broadcast a message. For example, every time a solid button is clicked, we can tell Scratch to broadcast a certain message, for example, show solid form. It is as if we are telling the solid button to shout, show solid form. But we can't hear that scream. The only ones who can hear the scream are other sprites on the Scratch, for example the penguin sprite. For sprites that hear screams, they can do certain things, according to the message being broadcasted. Let's try it. To try to broadcast, select the solid button sprite, then create this coding block. Then, select penguin sprite, and create this coding block. In the penguin sprite, don't connect this coding block with the previous coding block for the title screen. This way, the penguin will show title screen when the green flag is clicked, and another animation that describes the solid form when the solid button is clicked. To change the penguin costume, we can choose the desired costume, or ask Scratch to display the costumes according to the order. When done, click the green flag. Penguin will explain about the presentation. If we click the solid button, the penguin will explain about solid form. Now, try to do the same for the liquid button yourself. Have the penguin describe liquid form. You can use this coding block in the liquid button. Use this coding block in Penguin, or change the sentences you want. And this is a coding block that you can try for gas form. Once done, run your application, and try to click each button.